Storms. On a spring night in 2007, disaster struck a small town in Kansas called Greensburg. Shortly before 10 p.m., a siren went off. A mile-wide tornado was approaching Greensburg. Its winds were estimated to be more than 200 miles per hour. In less than 10 minutes, the town was destroyed. 10 people lost their lives. When the storm had passed, people climbed out from their storm cellars through the rubble. Cars and trucks had been thrown about. Homes were crushed or simply ripped from the ground. "I'm in downtown Greensburg. There's really nothing left," said one resident. The tornado destroyed much of the town. Many residents needed temporary housing. How do tornadoes form? A tornado is a swirling, funnel-shaped column of wind. It starts with a thunderstorm. Thunderclouds form when warm, wet air collides with cool, dry air. Then, strong winds form a wide tube of spinning air. When the tube touches the ground, it becomes a tornado. A tornado is a swirling, funnel-shaped column of wind. It starts with a thunderstorm. Thunderclouds form when warm, wet air collides with cool, dry air. Then, strong winds form a wide tube of spinning air. When the tube touches the ground, it becomes a tornado. The 200-plus mile-per-hour winds of a tornado can bend a stop sign. Kansans are used to tornadoes. The people of Greensburg live smack in the middle of Tornado Alley. It is an area that spans 8 states in the central United States. This region has just what tornadoes need to get started: cool, dry air from the Arctic mixing with warm, humid air from the Gulf of Mexico. There is a lot of wide open space called the Great Plains for tornadoes to form. These conditions give rise to more than 600 tornadoes on average in Tornado Alley every year. Most tornadoes in the world take place in Tornado Alley: Minnesota, Iowa, South Dakota, Nebraska, Colorado, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas. How do scientists predict dangerous storms? Meteorologists are scientists who study and forecast weather. They use a technology called radar to track storms, including tornadoes. Radar gives them information about how far away the tornado is and how fast it is moving. Although tornadoes have fast, swirling winds, tornadoes themselves move relatively slowly, 18 to 30 miles per hour. So their paths can be predicted with reasonable confidence. A system of tornado watches and warnings is used to alert the public to danger. A tornado watch means thunderstorm conditions exist that could set off a tornado. A warning means a tornado has touched down and been spotted. This system saved many lives in Greensburg. After the tornado sirens shrieked, people had 20 minutes to escape to their basements and storm shelters before the tornado destroyed their town.